Hi, I'm Matthew, the Chartered Structural Engineer at Wickens Engineering. I'm here today to answer your questions on cantilever racking. Today, we're asking what considerations go into the design of cantilever racking. In order to design your cantilever racking as efficiently as possible, we need to know your product depth, height, length and weight. This will make sure that we allow vertical clearances between arm levels for the safe loading and unloading of your product. We can also consider different product depths by designing for a front loading or non-uniformly distributed scenario. We also need to know the environment that your cantilever rack is going to go in. If your product is to be stored outside, we will have to consider things such as wind loading acting on your product and transferring into the cantilever rack, and also consider the finish of the racking. We would use steel corrosion resistant material such as galvanizing. If you've got any further questions, please contact us at asktheexpert@wickens.co.uk and see you next time.